Hello guys, welcome to Sam Technology Professionals. Today we are doing a project on Tremolo pedal. Before we proceed further, let's have a look of the schematic. It requires an E555 timer IC, which is a very common component of electronics easily available in the market. You can see it requires an E555 timer IC that is used to just blink the LED with some constant speed, and we have the regulator for controlling that speed, that is the 10K port, which is connected to the second terminal of the NE555 timer IC, and the other port, which is a 50K port, is required to control the depth, the shining of the LED, which is connected with the LDR in the specific shell. The LED will strike its light on LDR, and LDR's resistance will be changed. And this is the basic principle on which all of the Tremolo pedals works. And because input is sending signal to the output directly, but when the resistance of LDR is very low, the input will directly goes to the ground. On the left hand side, we have another LED, which is known as monitor LED. This will be on the top of our project, which will tell us about what speed we have picked and at which depth we are going. And this is what we need. It is a project box, and you can see this is the actual thing in which we are going to fit all of our project. Here we will drill some holes, 2 for the potentiometer and 1 for the power monitoring LED. Okay, over here we are going to add a jack for power adapters, and here I will try to add the holes for switch, power switch. So here are some required materials. As you can see, we have several things, what we say components of electronics. As you can see here, we have a small piece of a pipe that is used to fit LDR and LED, and this is what we say LDR, that stands for light dependent resistor, and this is the actual thing that is going to give you a tremolo effect from your guitar or any other instrument. And here is a piece of a pref board that is used to put the components on, and here we have the other stuff. So here we have drilled the holes for the potentiometers, as you can see, and one of them is going to be replaced with the LED that will be your monitoring LED. And here you can see we can put a cap on these potentiometers, and so it would be easy to use them. And here we have input and output jacks for the guitar. These are 6.5 mm female jacks for guitars especially. These are the other stuff required, such as main important part is 9-volt battery and its clip, and maybe some other tools you require for building it. But you can also do it very easily without using the other things. Here we have the adapter jack. I am going to put it inside this project box because this will be useful to use it without battery. So here is the project on the breadboard. I was testing it and just going to put it in a prep board. Please test your project first on the breadboard and then put it on the prep board. So here is my guitar amplifier, what I built in the last project I did, and You can see it is going to be connected with the tremolo pedal, just to test it, and you can see we have 6.5 mm to 6.5 mm. Both ends are male pins, and the input of the guitar amp is going to be connected with the output of tremolo pedal. And here we will use a low noise cable to plug a guitar with the tremolo pedal. Okay, so one end goes to guitar and the other end goes to tremolo pedal. So here is our tremolo pedal going to rock. So we are just going to turn it on. Here is the switch. It is now turned on. You can see LED, monitoring LED is indicating, and this knob controls the depth and the other knob controls the speed. Let's see when we change the speed. LED tells you that the speed has been changed. Let's increase it. Okay, this is the maximum level. From the depth, depth is just the resistance between LED and the ground, and it controls the shining of the LED.
See how it is sounding. So now we are just trying to increase our speed a little bit more. We're checking the sound.